Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Makadukiswe uJesu Kristo. Sami ngifisa sibuke ivangeli lika Lucas chapter 9 verses 11 to 17. uJesu ubekade shumayela enesixuku sabantu ebese abafundi bakhe beza kuyena bethi Nkosi godusa labantu bahambe baye emzini nasemzaneni beyofuna indawo yokulala beyofuna ukudla, because we are here in a lonely place. Yona nto engifuna ukuyibheka namhlanje ngesiZulu bathi ngoba sisehlane, kodwa isiNgisi sikwazile ukuyitranslate, we are in a lonely place. I'm in a lonely place. You are in a lonely place. You are going through a lot. You are in a dark place. Bewufisa abantu bakunike i-break. Bewufisa impilo ikunikeze i-break. There's so much going on. Bagonza ngapha nangapha. Bafuna izinto ngapha nangapha. They think you are a superman or a superwoman. Bayitshela ukuthi wena ulungisa yonke into. Kanti nawe umuntu uyakhathala. Kami konza ufuna ukuhlela kuyona namhlanje oqala ukuthi ukephi, where are you at? Kwenzakalani la ngaphakathi? Kwenzakalani empilweni yakho uma sewuhleli wedwa sewuyinika isigaba sokuba ake ngihlale ngedwa, ake ngibe honest nempilo yami, ake ngiyibukisise, ake ngiqaphele ngikephi empilweni? Kwenzakalani kumina nasoqobweni lwami? What frustrates me, la madoda ayaJesu athi kuyena baxoshe abahambe manje, abahambe bayofuna into yokudla, abahambe bayolala kwenye indawo. They can only say that because they are hurting inside. Because izinto ayihambi kahle kubona uqobo lwabo. And khona abantu abanjalo, when they are hurting, they lash out. When they are hurting, they fight with everyone. When they are hurting, ukuve kungumnca ekhaya. Because ibhodo liyashisa kumina ngaphakathi. Ucikwa yona yonke into. Ngicikwa ukuhleka kwezingane zibangela umsindo. Ngicikwa ukulala kaSibanibani erelaxele endlini yakhe, ngithapha yivila, and you end up fighting everyone. Kodwa musubuyele emuva, sengiba honest with myself. I need to ask, but why do I do that which I do? I realize ukuthi yaliwa, not in peace. So umbuzo wami uthi, where are you at? Hamba kanjani kuwena? Injani impilo? Zinjani izinto ezenzekayo mina? Khona omunye umuntu athi ngiyazi lento isuke yenzeka kanti I'm at my lowest. If lento beyenzeke when I'm still strong, if lento beyenzeke when I'm still able to, if lento beyenzeke sonke izinto ehamba kahle, ngabe ifike yabhawuza ngaqhubekela phambili, kodwa isuke yangishaya and I'm running at a low. Ebona uhamba ngemoto isiku-reserve track isine-light mathujahwa abafana emgaqweni ukube ibisakhona upetrol busangahamba nabo uyishaye 120 180 200 because upetrol usukhona kodwa noma kuthiwa ufuna ukwenza you are running at a low. Sometimes omunye umuntu usho something noma wenza something and it breaks this person and then afana aphele indaba yakhe and you realize ukuthi it's the last straw that broke the back of a donkey. Bese uyibuza ukuba yini lena emshayeli uSibanibani ngoba lento nje uSibanibani ubekwazi ukudila nayo except you didn't know ukuthi usho into anivele sekugcwele. So mbuzo wami uthi where are you at? And why do you do the things you do? Why do I find it easy ukulwa nabanye abantu? Why do I find it easy ukugxeka every time? Why do I find it easy ukuhlazi ngikhuluma kabi? When abanye abantu it becomes impossible ukuhlala nabo. When abanye abantu they are unpleasant to be with. Muzo omunye umuntu ethi uSibanibani uyangidraina. Muzo omunye umuntu ethi ngavelelwa sengizoya ekhaya, ngavelelwa sengizoya emsebenzini, ngavelelwa sengizohlangana noSibanibani, ngavelelwa sengizokwenza ukuthi because you realize ukuthi is something not okay. Now the other thing engithintayo athi namadoda baxoshe Jesu athi uJesu no bahlalisene banikele isinkwa, give them something to eat. Athi namadoda bankosi yini sobanikeza yona ngoba we only have 5 loaves and 2 fish. Asekho kunye nkosi. If you ever reach a stage, I've given you my all, akusena lutho. If you ever reach a stage, I've done my best, I'm out. If we are to be honest with ourselves, ubobu umuntu ocommit suicide and hambo buka ama-post alowo muntu on social media for the last couple of weeks and months, they've been giving us some signs. Atsumuntu, I'm tired. Atsumuntu, I'm drained. Atsumuntu, I need a break. Atsumuntu, ngicela excuse. They've been telling us. It's like umuntu manene breakdown. Umzimba ubedane nje give up. Sinika ama signs. Sloku swaziba, and eventually the body just collapses and sometimes it never picks up. But also too nama marriages. So too nama relationships. Kona singizinto zama signs and we can see, but we ignore them and we say no, but you can still do more, but you can still push more, but you can still, and you say to a person, I am running on a reserve. Unless I stop, I will burn out. Unless I stop, I will drop dead. Unless I stop, I'm out. I'm finished. No, you can still do more. Ngiyabasaba o supermen no superwomen. Ngiyabasaba o strong men no strong women. Ngiyabasaba o machalapa o abanzi. Ngiyabasaba who think I can do this. Right up until you collapse and you realize I'm done because I'm human. Kuna banje makhaya siyazi ukuthi hayi mase kufika uSibanibani uzokwenza. Mase sitshela uSibanibani is going to be sorted out. Mase kukhulunywe noSibanibani. Kuna abantu emsebenzini we know ukuthi this is a blue-eyed boy, this is a blue-eyed girl. Mase uba sekukhulunywe noSibanibani uzokwenza. Kuna abanye abantu who've forgotten themselves to a point, which they take work home. And when they are going through issues at home, they can't take home to work. We are so good at taking work home, but you're never able to take home to work. You want the promotion so much. Ukuthi noma utshela ukuthi hayibo ngicela ungenzela ukuthi nokuthi uthi family yakho banisibani kwenzeka kanje but ngoba wena usuyitshelile engqondweni yakho le company won't exist ngaphandle kwami, le project ngeke yenzeke ngaphandle kwami, ukuthi ngeke kulunge ngaphandle kwami, you're going to die. And life continues. Kube khona okunye okungithintayo uma bethi Jesu we only have 5 barley loaves. uJesu he insists that you know, but give them something. Give them something yourself. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalabantu when you are being told ukuthi I'm running at a low. When you're being told ukuthi angisakwazi ukuqhubeka. When you're being told ukuthi I need time out. Bese kuba khona abanye abantu keep on pushing. It's so sad to be married to someone who's not able to understand you. It's so sad ukuba no sisi no bhuti who always demand and who are never willing to support you. It's so sad ukuhlala nabantu who always expect but are not willing to give you what you need the most. Ekugcineni uJesu uthi kulungile, let me do it myself. Yabona, one of the most difficult things kwesikhathi empilweni is when you realize I cannot do this and akekho omunye ozokwazi ungenzela kona, and so mangenziwanga yimina ugcina ngenzakalanga. That's the saddest part empilweni, when you realize I'm in this alone. But I like understanding that Jesu, and so Jesu indaba ningayi ukuyophumula, let me do this for you. Hlezi ngithi mina unenhlanhla munomuntu who loves you enough to a point when ekwazi ukuthi take a break, I will do it. Take a break, ngizoyihambisa ingane. Take a break, ngizoya esikoleni. Take a break, ngizopheka. Take a break, I will do what you cannot do because okwamanje usacela isithime. Ndlovukazi Yesu la ibenathi isibusiso sivikele isikhanyisele sinika amandla nomusa nothando kaNkulunkulu uyisele ndodana nomoya ogcweleyo. Amen.